Hi again. Well, considering I don't have the best $1,000, $2,000 headphones, I thought it might be a good idea to add some tone controls. And since all of my current headphone amps and audio components are from Schiit Audio, I decided just best to continue with that and get their Loki high quality tone controls. So why don't we open that up and see what it looks like. So an interesting thing is on the website they call it the Loki high quality tone control, but on the box it's called the Loki Mini. So that's kind of interesting. I got some of the same seismic audio interconnects that I used for all my other components. So why don't we open that up and see what it's like. So got the owner's manual and the unit itself and the wall wart. See if I can get this focused correctly. Alright, so here we go. So there's the unit. Looks pretty nice. The control knobs seem nicely aligned. Oh, and there's a detent stop in the center. That's nice. So you can bypass it with this switch here, and there's a power indicating light, input and output, and power switch. So why don't I hook this up and then show you what it looks like hooked up. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's all hooked up. Why don't I turn it on and see how it looks. Alright, that looks pretty nice. You can see what a mess it's starting to get back here with all the power cords and RCA cables. Then the next thing I'd like to add to the setup is some sort of power conditioner, because you can see what a horrible mess the power situation is. It's just horrible. I can't deal with that. So probably going to get some sort of power conditioner. I don't know what yet. They're all pretty expensive, and I'm not quite convinced on the benefits of them, but I do like how it would organize everything much better. So that's pretty much it. I'll let you know how I like it in a future video. Oh, also, I did end up getting a Pangea audio rack for my turntable, so that's a little nicer. I probably would put a power conditioner if I got one on one of those racks, lower rack probably. So thanks for checking out this video. See you next time. Bye.